Hi friends! Today we are going to learn how to properly and effectively clean your car. You know, a car isn't just a means of transport, it's a little space where we spend a lot of time. So keeping it clean is about both comfort and good vibes. But why is it so important to clean it properly? Because if you clean chaotically, you might miss important areas or even damage materials. Today I'll show you all the secrets, from the dashboard to the trunk. Let's get started! Here is what we'll need: a vacuum cleaner, microfiber cloth, glass cleaner and paper towels, plastic polish, a matte cleaning brush, and gloves for safety. Ready? Let's start with the interior. Let's start with the basics: the floor and seats. Vacuum the seats gently to avoid damaging the upholstery. The floor is usually the dirtiest. Use a specialized vacuum nozzle for this. And don't forget to check under the seats. That's where hidden treasures like candy wrappers or lost keys usually are. Next, the windows. Clean windows mean better visibility and safety. Spray on the cleaner and wipe with microfiber cloth. I recommend circular motions to avoid streaks.
Jackson.
Now the dashboard. Use a plastic polish and a microfiber cloth for this. Don't forget the corners where dust loves to hide. If you can't reach certain areas, use the vacuum for assistance. Mats are another challenge. Remove them, use a brush to get rid of big debris, and then vacuum them. And last but not least, the trunk. It's often overlooked, but it gets dirty too, especially if you carry sports equipment or groceries. Just vacuum it and you're good to go. That's it! A clean car isn't just nice, it's practical too. Think about how much time we spend in our cars. Cleanliness creates comfort and a better mood. And if you clean the right way, it saves your time as well. Thanks for joining me today, friends. Take care of your cars and yourselves. Clean surroundings starts with inner cleanliness. See you in the next video. Bye bye!